Alright folks, how you doing? I've made my way up a forest track here in the Comeragh Mountains. How long I'm going to stay here is a bit of a mystery, and technically I don't think I'm supposed to be here. There's guys logging a little further over the mountain there, so I might get moved on. I bought myself some mussels on the way over in the fishmongers, so I'm going to do Thai spiced mussels a little later and take it as it comes. We'll see what happens. Pretty cool little walk up along the stream. I've never actually seen that before. Usually when I'm up around this way I'm kind of over the other side, but yeah, nice little stream through the woods. Picturesque. So I just checked the mussels there. I was hoping I'd get away without having to clean them, but they're going to need a bit of a clean and maybe take the beards off them, so bit of work to do. My Dutch oven is up to temperature now, nice and hot. So I'm just going to fry off my garlic, ginger, chilies really quickly in a bit of hot oil, and then I'm going to add the mussels. So I could only be frying them off for a couple of seconds. I don't want the garlic and ginger to burn. Just going to pop the lid on that for a bit. Just had the lid on that for 60 seconds. I'm just going to add my coconut milk now. Let's see how these are doing. Had the lid on for about 4 minutes. Oh, spot on. Guys, I'm going to call it for the night. I'm going to drink the last of this, get the last bit of warmth from this fire and hop inside the van. But thanks very much for joining me, guys, if you made it this far, and we'll catch you again. Cheers guys, stay safe.